Oh, dude, your gasket is shot to pieces.
Let me see. Holy shit, that's not even a head gasket anymore.
Why don't you use the karambit? You use the...
You're right, that's so much cooler. But it's cool. Clutch.
Oh, that's your clutch. Oh, and everything.
It says Pro too, so that's neat. Chat.
It says Pro.
That part. It looks like a black hole. Is it even?
Chat, we have bolts. We have bolts. And y'all, this is good because I don't know how many of these videos y'all have been watching, but every single bolt in that jalopy are rusted to pieces. They snap off when you try to turn them. They came off once, they're not going back on. So, new bolts. Yeah, what was that you're saying? I bought chrome bolts. Honestly, I've never seen a bolt that wasn't chrome.
Yeah, we gotta find out.
Chat, here we have genuine Nissan spark plugs. They look like this right here. And I gifted him a spark plug gapper tool.
Oh, she ripped it.
Okay, so y'all, a lot of the gas smell and fumes have been mitigated due to just properly installing the gas tank, evap hose, and fitting all that up. But now it's the exhaust fumes from the exhaust tailpipe itself are coming back into the cabin from the rear end of the car because there's so many rust holes and old seals are broken. So this goes around the rear left tail light because right now there's a big gap all the way around it where exhaust is being sucked right back into the car, making you smell bad after driving.
And
it
hot.
just stinks. It just stinks. This is a really big oil filter. I don't know if it comes out how big it is.
Studs. And wash.
Dude. Oh, wet. Smell.
So that's the clutch. A clutch, a flywheel, a pressure. I think so.
And is that just one?
Actually, did I? I don't know if I did. Oh, look at the little cartoon on the back. That's awesome. It was an RPM, so you kind of have to like. Oh, I've never seen one in person before.
I don't know how the hell they work.
So
it just presses.
It presses against the. So that's friction material.
Giant fucking head. This is steel.
Dude, look at that.
Hold that. Please. Well, what does that do? What is that?
So the clutch slave cylinder takes a clutch fork which pivots, and that pivoting presses a throw bearing against this, and that is what clamps the clutch down. So this is pressed.
So that's a super spring.
It's a super spring. It has to hold like 200 horsepower. So.
Okay, so I thought the force holding the clutch in was like the little rinky-dinky cylinder from the gas pedal. Cool.
Dude, look at that.
Oh, cool. There's no trans fluid. Oh, dude, it just pops out. Let me see the end of that.
I'll film. I'll clean that up, paint it. Good. What are you doing, Siler?
These 8 clips, you just missed me struggling for about 20 minutes to get these 8 clips that hold the old shift gear on. Really good.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
It actually will.
Painted aluminum, polish it up.
Yeah. Power. You look great. You look great. I can push you up here. Pouring and trans fluid on this. Hey, if you had put those, dude, you fucking did it. Let's go. I didn't know it was that far back. Oh, really? It's only 80 pounds, I guess. Shit. Let's see how heavy that is. Let's see how strong you are. Oh, dude, that's not heavy. Here, stand right there.
Right now?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the motor. There's nothing in it right now because Max has left it like this for a few days. We're really praying for him that he gets this done in time or else he's not going to have a car.
And he can't go to Albuquerque to see Patrick's service on spring break.
Stakes are high. Where's Max?
Lord knows.
Good luck.
There, the weird part of it there, and then we got the whole rest of the engine over here. We got carbs and transmission over there, exhaust, the radiator, bumpers. You know, there's nothing in here but the motor. This is a big cleanup. Insert a picture now, Max, when you're editing, of what the engine looked like before you cleaned it up.
Got you.
Okay, so this is what it looked like before, and now this is it. Pretty cleaned up. There's new everything, new gaskets, new water pump, new oil pump, new bolts for everything. So it's really gonna clean everything up. It's all gonna be repainted. It's all pretty stripped down and degreased and cleaned right now. Over here, the brake lines and clutch lines or whatever have been spray painted that silver aluminum color, and then taped off, and now Max is working on all this
Hey, you know what time it is?
stuff. What time is it?
Head bolt time. We're removing the head today. We're gonna get to see if my cylinders are scored. It's gonna very much change the mood of the day.
Here's the paint for the bay and cleaning crap, I guess.
I'll record. Holy shit, that's not even a head gasket anymore. There's not even a gasket.
I can get a better, closer shot here. I find your lack of head gasket disturbing.
Dude, look at that.
What is this like? Is that rust? I think it's just liquid rust.
I think that might be RTV or something. Or actually, no, it's coolant.
You have orange
it's
coolant?
bad coolant.
Oh, gross coolant.
It's gross coolant.
Dude,
Those
your
are the
gasket is shot to shit.
Dude, look at that. It's like, look at, holy shit, how's that even allowed? I've been waiting to do this entire time. It's gonna be satisfying. Just, hey, that's cool. Oh wait, does it turn? Every video is like this.
Is that the same camera you bought the picture again?
No,